So this evening we are actually going to be doing a cooking class with the hosts of this Airbnb. It's her daughter and her son-in-law.
Baba dates.
They let us know they'll be here any minute. We have no idea what we're cooking yet. We know that they're bringing food and wine and gonna give us a little class and enjoy everything right in our room.
Time to cook.
Hello!
Hi!
Ciao! 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 Raimondo, piacere?
Katie.
Piacere mio?
Viola.
Raimondo?
Viola. Pat.
Raimondo?
This
Piacere?
Viola.
How do you say cheers?
Salute!
Salute.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Prendiamo il pomodoro.
Okay, we start with the tomatoes for bruschetta. We start with these dishes because it's important the rest for 1 hour after you prepare. And another in the half.
Così.
Upside down.
Oh, okay.
Molto bene.
Okay. And after you cut another one, you cut in slice. It's not important the beautiful. It's important that you make small pieces.
E poi
First ingredients we put in the with the tomatoes is a salt, okay? Because when you the salt touch the tomatoes, get out all the water of the sauce of the tomatoes, and it's very important because the bruschetta is a poor plate, and we use. Put the sauce, the sauce of the tomatoes, the water of the tomatoes, on the old bread.
prendiamo il nostro basilico.
Okay, fresh basil, and slap the fresh basil.
Oh.
Yeah, that's oil from smell. It's not beautiful. Summer.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But, 1 garlic for 4 or 5 tomatoes, black pepper,
Okay.
and chili pepper.
E ci ripeto.
Oh. We love chili peppers.
E la
It's
mettiamo a
important
riposare.
you leave for minimum is 1 hour. Make for the family 1 egg per person. And we say is the recipe is 1 egg for 100 grams of flour. Start with 80 grams and we add a little mix and put a little bit of flour inside.
Reminds me of my grandmother.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You make at home the fresh pasta.
Occasionally.
Occasionally.
My dad would make it. My grandmother had a broomstick
Yeah.
that she used and did the dough, and it never stuck together.
It's important a glass of wine during the recipe. A glass of wine. You cover the bottom of the all with the oil, olive oil. The garlic with the peel. We say aglio in camicia. It's a garlic with shirt.
Oh. Yeah.
Poi prendiamo la nostra
Aglio in
passata.
I like a misha.
Okay, this is all tomatoes. In the
Puliamo la
summer,
bottiglia con un po' d'acqua.
yeah, you clean the bottle with the.
We do that. He gets mad at me.
No, it's important.
Yes.
It's not only clean the bottle, but when you cook the sauce is not becoming so strong. Chili pepper and salt, you taste.
E poi fate la stessa cosa con il basilico che avete fatto prima.
Sorry, Rick?
Cioè, è troppo
Rip?
buio.
With the hands.
So elastic.
Yeah. And next, the pressure. No.
Very good.
Controllare sempre se è troppo bagnato.
Oh, I accidentally grabbed both spoons.
You did. You got 2 spoons.
Sorry. We just found out we get to make tiramisu.
Coffee, sugar, eggs, mascarpone cheese is so strong ingredients. And if the red touch the white, don't whip it. Ever.
Okay.
We get out all. It's important that the eggs and the mascarpone cheese is in room temperature.
Oh.
We use 120 grams of sugar and you divide it 60 and 60.
So we're still going to use the whites of the egg.
Mettiamo crema al mascarpone. Traduci.
This is the best moment when you prepare a tiramisu because now you mix the white with another mixer and now you don't mix all together, you fold very slowly.
Molto velocemente.
So fast.
Very fast.
Yeah. Ok.
Okay, perfect.
Come see me.
Bravo.
You're going to go back see Daddy in a minute.
Ok. Perfetto. No problem.
Too long.
Ok.
That'll be good. I gotta recover.
Molto bene.
Should you not? I can find these.
Probably. I don't know. I think.
I thought it was would be going in the freezer or something. How was it?
This was perfect. It was so stinking cute. The couple is adorable. Like, you can tell my mom's in her element too.
Oh, everything has been so much fun, and the tastes are amazing. The fresh sauce and the tiramisu mix doesn't need baked. I could eat it right out of the bowl. In fact, I was.
Does it remind you of like cooking?
Oh, well, making the pasta reminded me of my grandmother, and then my dad using that machine and cutting the pasta, and then sauce was so simple. And I don't know. I never made tiramisu, and I don't remember them making it either, but I'm gonna make it now.
As soon as we started dipping the lady fingers in the coffee, she was like, Kate, we have to make this. So we have plans coming up, so we'll probably be making it maybe around the holiday season this year.
Prima la signora.
Sì, sì, faccio il giro per
I'm going all Stanley Tucci on this here.
Oh my god. That's so good.
I'm just using pork to get the extra pieces.
This meal is phenomenal, and they've just brought us olive oil and said that it is green gold, and to dip some of the fresh bread in it. And that's good. This whole meal is phenomenal. This experience is phenomenal. We will link all of the information below so that if you and your family are ever in Tuscany, you can definitely check it out. I'm gonna enjoy my meal.
How do I say thank you?
Prego.
Prego.
Grazie, grazie.
Grazie. Grazie.
You're welcome. How did they say that? What is that?
Bavadi.
Bava dates.
Bavadits.
Good compliment.
Tutto bello.
Everything's so good. How are you not the size of a sausage now?
You're a beautiful family. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So wonderful meeting you.
That was the most amazing experience.
Oh.
Our family is honestly over the moon and just so surprised at how sweet and endearing that couple was. And we definitely just made some memories that will last a
You see
lifetime.
the gnome.
We're just gonna relax and enjoy this tiramisu. We definitely don't know how to cut it, but that's okay.
It's so light.
Not the biggest coffee fan, but it'll do.
I am the biggest coffee fan, and I just already grabbed second, so.